4.5 feet of bed sounds great until you're trying to haul a kayak, a ladder, or a stack of lumber. A bed extender is the simplest solution. Flip it out, and suddenly your Maverick handles cargo it had no business touching before. 3 solid options, different approaches. Links are down in the description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 3 with xipoqix, and this one is the most versatile option on the list. It's a 4-in-1 design, built specifically for the Maverick. Flip it out as a bed extender for kayaks and oversized gear. Flip it in as a cargo divider. Use it as a management rack for fishing rods and long items, or drop it flat as a camping table when you're set up at the site. Precision fit aluminum alloy construction for 2022 through 2026 Maverick. Screw installation for a solid hold. 1 product, 4 problems solved. At number 2, Trumgeta brings the most tactical setup on this list, and the built-in maul panels are what set it apart. Maul is the same modular attachment system used on military gear, so you can snap bags, tie down straps, recovery tools, and work accessories directly onto the extender itself. Flip it outward to extend the bed for long cargo, or rotate it inward as a divider to keep coolers and gear within arm's reach. Adjustable from 46 to 54 inches wide. Aluminum alloy with rubber rattle dampeners. Drilling required. Measure your bed width before ordering. And the top spot goes to MyOffroad. The U-shaped design is the key here. It maximizes the usable cargo space inside the bed instead of just creating a barrier. Flip it out with the tailgate open to carry lumber, bikes, or ladders. Flip it inside with the tailgate closed to keep smaller items organized and within reach at the tailgate. The pin system makes removal and repositioning genuinely fast. No tools needed once the brackets are mounted. Weather-resistant nylon uprights and powder-coated aluminum tubes built to last. 1-year warranty. 3 bed extenders for your Maverick. A 4-in-1 multi-tool, a tactical maul setup for gear haulers, and a fast-release U-shaped design that actually maximizes your load space. Small bed doesn't have to mean small capability. All the links are waiting in the video description. If this helped you figure out which one's right for your setup, subscribe. More Maverick content is coming your way.